So you just gave your personal information to a scammer. Maybe your credit card number, maybe your address, maybe even more. Maybe you've already sent them money. First off, don't panic. You're not alone, and there are steps you can take right now to minimize the damage. But you'll want to act quickly, so here's how to protect yourself and what to do next. Step 1, cut off contact. Stop talking to them immediately. Block their number if it was a call or text, block their email, or if it happened on a messaging app like Discord or WhatsApp, block them there too. There's no need to keep engaging. The harm is already done, and the goal now is to limit what else they can access. Now, step 2 is recovering your funds. If you've already sent money to a scammer, you'll have a few options at your disposal, depending on what kind of payment method you used. If you shared any kind of payment information, like your bank account, debit card, credit card, then the next thing to do is contact your bank. Most banks and credit unions have 24/7 fraud hotlines you can call to explain that you were scammed. You can ask them to freeze or reverse any unauthorized transactions. They might go through recent charges with you, so take a look at your account ahead of time. You'll also want to request a new card, change your PIN, and update your account password to something much stronger. If you sent money through a wire transfer like MoneyGram or Western Union, reach out to them right away. They've got fraud forms you can fill out, as well as customer support lines to help you file a claim. And the faster you act, the better chance you have at getting your money back. Scammers also love asking for gift cards, unfortunately, and if you went that route, contact the card issuer ASAP, like iTunes, Amazon, or Google Play, and let them know that you were scammed. It's not a guarantee, but if you still have the card and the receipt, you might be able to recover the funds. Now, even if you actually mailed cash to a scammer, there's still hope. You can request a package intercept from the delivery service before it arrives. Here are some of the numbers to call. If you used a different carrier, check their website or give them a call. You may have to pay a fee, but it's better than losing your money. The third step is all about securing your personal information. If the scammer got a hold of sensitive personal info, like let's say your social security number, you'll want to act quickly. Go to identitytheft.gov, click Get Started Now, and follow the steps. It'll walk you through creating a recovery plan and help you monitor your credit for fraud. And if your social security number was exposed, you can call the SSA fraud hotline to submit a report as well. Also, don't forget to update any login credentials or PINs you think might have been compromised. And as a heads up, when you report identity theft to the IRS or FTC, you will get a letter once your case is resolved. Normally that takes about 120 days, but right now, due to a post-pandemic backlog, it's taking closer to 493 days on average. Yeah, it's a wait, but they are working on speeding things up and getting that timeline back down. Just hang in there, keep checking in on your status, and hold on to any paperwork or case numbers they give you. And once you've taken these steps to contain the damage, the final step is to build stronger defenses moving forward, which means changing passwords for any accounts the scammer might now have access to, enabling two-factor authentication wherever you can, and keeping an eye on your accounts in the coming weeks for anything unusual. Getting scammed sucks, but taking action quickly can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides here on how to do it all.